Alright, so here's the Dort shelter that I stayed in last night. And pretty decent. It's nice, it's clean. And the privy back there, that's clean also. Well set up. It even had toilet paper, which was a bonus. So it's almost 6 o'clock and I'm gonna hit the trail. I want to finish this up by noon. So out for now. Well, a little more than 2 miles in, and these short, sharp climbs are really kicking my rear this morning. I don't know. I don't think I've drank enough water, so that's adding to my misery. I stocked up yesterday, but as usual, finding water in here has been kind of a challenge, which is weird for New England because usually there's more streams than you can shake a stick at. So, I don't know. But we're making progress and trying to get most of this knocked out before the rain gets here. The weatherman says rain's likely at 9:30. So, it's, I don't know, 6:30, 7 o'clock about now, so we'll see what happens. I hiked through this area a couple months ago and I saw the mountain laurel and I was like, man, I'd like to come back here when they're blooming. Well, look at that. Some of them down low are blooming. I passed a bunch further up the mountain that were just in buds like this. So, but boy, it sure makes it nice. It's almost worth the near heart attack walking up the hill. So, they're just all along the trail here. Pardon me while I huff and puff. This hill has been no joke. Here's some that are getting ready to flower. So I've got about 4.5 miles left and I'll be done with this. So we'll check back in a while. We're coming up on a couple of views, so we'll see what happens. Back up the hill I go. It's a little hazy, but just look at this. Unreal. So I thought I'd knock Monadnock out first and save the easy part for the end. But while this is easier than Monadnock, it is not easy. This is like almost 1,000-foot climb in like 4/10 of a mile. So it's a slog at this point. I'm beat. Kind of like a tropical rainforest. I'm wet. Well, I'm soaked actually. And I don't know if it's sweat or water or both. And I'm pretty sure when we get to the top of Wantastiquet, I'm not going to see a view again. Last time I was up there it was socked in with fog, and well, as you can see, we're in the fog now, so oh well, we're almost done. At least the rain's keeping it cool, because I'm working up a sweat doing this. This is the last big climb today. Alright, so here I am looking like a drowned rat. We're on the way down the hill, mountain, Wantastiquet. I made it there alright. As I suspected, there was nothing to see. So, it's raining pretty decently. And I'm soaked. So, I wouldn't do this hike again, I don't think. This is kind of boring. The long railroad track section there's just nothing to see. I mean, it made fast travel, but it really didn't entertain. So there's a few views before and after that, but that was about it. So anyway, thanks for coming along on my latest adventure. If you like what you see, feel free to like and subscribe. Give me any comments you got, and I'll see you on the next one.